virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Hello children, let us learn today the meaning of two more words in maths. Okay? See the words. First one, the meaning of behind and in front of. Okay? Then we will move to learn the meaning of above and below. Okay? Dear children, first we will try to understand the meaning of behind and in front of. Yes, dear children, here you can see two words. First one is behind. The spelling is B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Okay, this is one word, and the second word is in, R-N, in, F-R-O-N-T, front, O-F, off, means in front of. Okay, we will go through some pictures and we will try to understand the meaning of behind and in front of. Come on, let us move. Here you can see a hut. Chota sa ghar, hut, jhopda, isn't it? And here you can see two animals, two pet animals. One is cat and another is hen. Okay? They are away from each other, right? Yes. Dear children, here we will try to understand the position or the place of these two animals with the hut. See here, this animal cat and this one is hen, you know, right? Now here the cat is behind the hut. It is on the back side. Can you see? It is behind. Hut के पीछे है. And where is the hen? Hen is in front of the hut. हट के सामने है. झोपड़े के सामने कौन है? This hen है and cat behind है. पीछे है. Isn't it? Okay. See here one more picture. Here you can see a hut on the island. Right? And here you can see so many objects. Now this girl is standing here and the coconut tree is there. Now we will try to find out the position of these two first. See, you know this is hut, right? Where the girl is standing and where is the coconut tree here? Yes, coconut tree is behind, पीछे में है, right? And the girl is standing in front of this hut, isn't it? You can see one more object, that is the sun. The sun is also behind the hut, right? The position of the sun is behind the hut. Means behind मतलब पीछे. In front of मतलब सामने और आगे. Correct? Dear children, here you can see a girl in swimming tub, right? And so many toys are there with her. You can see ball, you can see a plastic dolphin, you can see a duck, isn't it? These are all toys and she is enjoying with the toys. Come on dear children, now we will find out the place which is behind, which is in front of this girl. See dear children, this ball and this duck. We will try to see the position of these two. Ball is behind the girl and duck is in front of the girl. Correct? Next, yes, here you can see two girls and a wall of grass, right? This is the wall of grass and here one girl is sitting with the toy and this girl is reading the book. Come on dear children, from this front view we have to tell who is behind and who is in front of this wall, that is grass wall. Come on. Yes. This girl is behind the grass wall and this girl who is reading the book is in front of the grass wall. Isn't it? Behind मतलब पीछे and in front मतलब सामने. Here you can see a wooden wall. Correct? Wooden wall हम लोग देख सकते हैं. Right? And we can see two animals, horse and cow. Right? Horse and cow. Now, where the horse is standing? It is standing behind the wooden wall and the cow is moving in front of the wooden wall. समझ गए ना? Now I hope you understood about the meaning of behind मतलब पीछे, in front of मतलब आगे और सामने. Here we can see a box, right? Here we can see two lives. See here a mouse and a butterfly. Come on, dear children, tell me who is in front of this box and who is behind this box. Yes. Observe carefully. You are right. The mouse is behind the box and this butterfly is in front of the box. Very good. Here you can see a race between the tortoise and the rabbit or the hare. Now here also see the position. You know the story of tortoise and the hare, isn't it? Here the tortoise is in front and the hare is behind, isn't it? Tortoise सामने है और hare पीछे है. कौन जीता? Tortoise जीता. Right? Yes. Here you can see a bridge, small bridge that you can see in the gardens. Correct? This bridge is there. Here what we have to do? Tick in the box below the object which is in front of the bridge. Here two animals you can see again. Right? A cow is moving and the dog is sitting. It is taking rest. Right? Now here we have to tick the proper box of the object which is in front of the bridge. You know this is bridge. Come on, tell me which is in front of the bridge. Yes, very good. Dog is in front of the bridge. So we will tick mark in the box of the dog. Okay. Next, here two girls, they are swimming. Here also we have to tick in the box below the swimmer who is behind. Behind means पीछे. Yes, you are right. The girl who is behind is in blue dress, right? So we will tick mark this one because she is behind. And the girl in red, she is in front of that blue girl. Correct? Here you can see two discs, green color disc and the orange color disc. Now here also we have to tick the box which is in front of the wall. Right? We have to tick in the box of the object, that is disc, which is in front of the wall. Come on, tell me which disc is in front and which disc is behind. You are right. Orange color disc is in front of the wall. So we will tick mark in this box. Am I right? Here this is from your textbook. Okay. See the picture. Two girls, they are playing cricket. You know these are called stumps. Correct? And one girl is behind the stump and one girl is in front of the stump. Now the question is, color the box below the child who is in front of the stumps. Come on, tell me, one girl is in pink dress and one girl is in green dress. Who is in front? Yes, very good. The girl in green color dress is in front of the stump. So we will color this as green. Okay, we'll move to next one. Here you can see two boys, right? And this is called curtain. Now one boy is behind the curtain and one boy is in front of the curtain. Yes, dear children, here color the box below the child who is behind the curtain. Behind matlab piche. Yes, you are right. This boy is behind the curtain. So we will color this. We will proceed. Here you can see two girls are playing on swing. Right? Now one girl is behind and one girl is in front. Here also color the box below the swing which is in the front. Okay. Now you are right. The orange colored dress wearing girl is in front. So we will color this box. Yes, dear children, I hope you understood perfectly the meaning of behind matlab piche and in front of matlab aage. Right? Not to forget this meaning. Okay? Now dear children, we will move to the next pair of words. That is, yeah, come on, tell me. These two words are above and below. Now we will try to understand the meaning of these two words by using the pictures. Okay? First see this. Above means see. Where the word go, we'll see. Yes, above. Upar gaya. Right? We'll see what about this below. The arrow mark is showing go down. So the word is going down. So the meaning of this below is niche. Right? To the next one. See the picture. You can see a slide. And on that slide a girl is sitting. And here also you can see one more picture, that is a dog sitting under the slide. Now dear children, we will compare or we will try to study the position of these two places. Yes, the girl and the dog. The girl is above the slide and the dog is below the slide. Where is the girl? The girl is above. And where is the dog? Dog is below the slide. Okay? We will move to the next one. Yes, here you can see a tree, right? And you can see a butterfly and an elephant. We will try to see the position of butterfly and an elephant. Yes, dear children, where is the butterfly? Butterfly is above the tree, right? Tree के ऊपर है, above the tree, and an elephant, he is below the tree, isn't it? पेड़ के नीचे है. Am I right? He is below the tree and the butterfly is above the tree. Here you can see a table. Now you can see two objects, that is a cat and a ball. Now see the position. Where is the cat and where is the ball? The cat is above the table and the ball is very good below the table. Here above means ऊपर, below means नीचे. Am I right? Okay. See, this is the next picture. Here also you can see so many trees, so many birds, and here you can see the ants. Come on, tell me, who is above and who is below? Yes, you have to observe these trees and birds and ants. You have to compare the position. You are right. Birds are flying above the trees and ants are moving below the trees. Very good. I hope you understood about the meaning of above and below. Right? Now dear children, we will move to our textbook. This is from your textbook. See the picture. Circle the object below the lamp. Here you can see the lamp and here you can see some objects. That is a round table with cup. Now what to do here? Circle the object below the lamp. Below, नीचे, lamp के नीचे. Right? What is there? These two objects. So we will circle these two objects. That is cup and the table. Right? Now the next picture is this. Here you can see a monkey in two different positions. What to do here? Circle the monkey sitting below the tree. Yes, this monkey is sitting on the tree and this monkey is sitting below, नीचे. Right? So we will circle this one. Next one is circle the vehicle above the bridge. This is a long bridge, isn't it? And you can see two vehicles. This is a scooter and this is train. Now the question is circle the vehicle above the bridge. Above, ऊपर, isn't it? Bridge के ऊपर. What is there? Train is moving. So we will circle the train. Am I right, children? Here, assignment for you. Here I am not going to tell you the answer. You have to decide the answer. Okay? I know that you know the meanings of in front of and behind and above and below, right? So according to the question, you have to find out the answer from these pictures. Here you can see house, right? Beautiful house. Now here you can see two vehicles The question is, circle the object which is above the house and tick the object which is in front of the house. As dear children, you have to tick mark one vehicle and you have to circle one vehicle. That you have to decide. Next, here you can see trees, butterflies and squirrels. Am I right? Observe this picture carefully and try to answer this. Who is behind the tree and who is in front of the tree? That you have to decide. Okay? Next thing is, here you can see a mountain. You can see clouds, you can see a moon, you can see stars, you can see a bear, right? You have to decide what is above the mountain. Question is, what is above the mountain? Okay? Yeah, this is a nice one. Now the question is, where is the cat? Circle the correct word. Here you can see two words, above and below. Right? You have to observe the picture and you have to circle the proper word. If the cat is above, then you have to circle above. If the cat is below the sofa, then you have to circle below. That you have to decide. Okay? Thank you, dear children. Yes, I hope you understood this lesson nicely because we have used so many pictures to understand this concept. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.